Hey guys, wanna know how to download and use offline Apple Maps? Let me show you how easy it is. So follow this simple step-by-step tutorial. Now let's get started. So first off, open the Apple Maps on your iPhone and then swipe up this small menu right there at the bottom. And now click on your icon at the top right. Now from the pop-up menu at the bottom, choose the offline maps option. And here click on the new option at the top right. Now here you can use the search bar to find the exact city that you want to save, or you can just download the current location just by clicking on the current location option. So just give it a tap and now this will create this square that will pretty much mark the place that will be saved to your offline map. So you can adjust this square however you want and then click on the download option at the bottom right. So after downloading, you'll be able to enter the downloaded offline map menu just by repeating the same steps as we did in the beginning of the tutorial. So while, for example, driving somewhere, you can also enable the only use offline maps feature, and you will be able to use downloaded maps even when you have an internet connection, for example, to save some internet data. And also a very cool feature that the offline downloaded map will be marked on the current map when you are, for example, traveling. So I guess that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more tips.